Tanker ships are some of the most important vessels on the planet. These massive ships transport essential liquids like crude oil, petroleum products, chemicals, and even liquefied natural gas. Without them, the modern world would struggle to function. Almost everything from gasoline for cars to raw materials for plastic production relies on the efficient transport of these liquids across the ocean. One of the most fascinating things about tanker ships is their sheer size. Some of the biggest supertankers can be over 300 meters long and carry millions of barrels of oil in a single trip. These ships are designed to travel long distances without stopping, often moving between continents. They are built with thick steel hulls to withstand harsh ocean conditions, and many have advanced safety features to prevent leaks and spills. The process of loading and unloading a tanker ship is complex. At major ports, massive pipelines connect to these ships, pumping liquid cargo on or off the vessel. Some tankers have special heating systems to keep certain liquids at the right temperature. For example, crude oil can become too thick to pump if it gets too cold, so tankers must maintain a specific temperature to keep it flowing smoothly. One of the biggest concerns with tanker ships is safety. Since they carry flammable and hazardous liquids, even a small accident can lead to a disaster. Oil spills are one of the worst environmental threats caused by tanker accidents. When oil leaks into the ocean, it can damage marine life, pollute beaches, and take years to clean up. That's why modern tanker ships use double hull designs to reduce the risk of spills and have strict safety protocols to handle emergencies. Tanker ships don't just carry oil. Some are built to transport chemicals like industrial acids and fertilizers. Others specialize in liquefied natural gas, which must be kept at extremely low temperatures to stay in liquid form. These tankers have massive insulated tanks and advanced cooling systems to prevent the gas from evaporating before it reaches its destination. Despite their size and complexity, tanker ships operate with surprisingly small crews. Automation and modern technology allow just a handful of workers to manage these floating giants. The crew is responsible for monitoring cargo, maintaining the ship's systems, and navigating safely across thousands of kilometers of open water. They spend weeks or even months at sea before reaching a port to unload and prepare for the next journey. The importance of tanker ships cannot be overstated. They keep global trade moving and ensure industries around the world have the resources they need. With increasing demand for energy and chemicals, the role of tanker ships will only grow. Companies are constantly developing new, more efficient, and environmentally friendly designs to reduce emissions and improve safety.